Very good afternoon to all of you. Now I am going to take mock of one of my student. He is from Hyderabad. Okay, and just try to listen it. My number is 7503235358. Okay, start.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Sir, may I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. How about you, sir?
Please don't ask from the panel because we are not here for the meeting.
Okay.
Don't ask from the panel. No issue. Okay. First of all, tell me that we all know that very popular term in the banking industry. It is called cash reserve ratio. What is CRR?
Sir, cash reserve ratio is meant that the percentage of net demand time limit is kept with the banks in the form of cash. So, whenever the emergency purpose occurs, the bank utilizes these cash on that situation, sir.
Okay. In CRR, there is a term called NDTL. You know about net demand and time liability?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So it's a difference of some of all the deposits with the bank and the deposits in the outside of the bank. So it's a difference of both the terms, sir.
So many engineers are nowadays coming in the banking sector. Why, Venkatesh?
Sir, first of all, it's there are less opportunities in the engineering field as well. So there are it's in the banking sector there is a high recruitment process. The recruitment process is high, and the growth is also is in the fast forward process, sir. So many of the engineers are opting to either banking sector or.
But after completion of engineering means you guys have wasted so much of money and then you are not tried for private job and you are coming to the banking sector. It's not worthless. Means it's not worth.
Yeah, sir. Before starting our graduation, we thought of coming into the core sector, sir. So unfortunately, at the end of our graduation, we didn't have any opportunities in our sector. So we look for another opportunities where our capabilities are. Now we can perform we can use our skills in that sector. So we choose one of the sectors like banking as well, sir.
Difference between scheduled commercial bank and non-scheduled commercial bank.
So scheduled commercial banks are more into the profit organization, sir, and they look more. The main motto is for profit only, sir. And non-scheduled commercial banks,
non-scheduled commercial bank, there is no non-scheduled commercial bank is right now. All banks are comes under Reserve Bank of India. One bank is there in 2010, Jammu and Kashmir Bank. It comes under scheduled commercial bank, means under RBI.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What is the main motive of regional rural bank, particular situated in state?
So the main motive of the RRBs are to provide credit to the agricultural farmers and uplift their income levels, and to provide the banking facilities to the unbanked areas as well, sir. Many of the rural population in our India, their lack of banking services, and they don't have any bank accounts, sir. So after government initialization of financial inclusion, so many of our rural population have their are able to access the banking services, sir. The main motive of RRB is to provide the banking services to RRBs, rural masses, and uplift their economic activities, sir.
Okay. Suppose I will posted you anywhere in the rural area, then how will you manage?
Sir, basically I'm from the rural region itself, sir. So it's not difficult for me to adapt to the rural situations and rural postings as well, sir. And moreover, I can understand the language easily. As it is my home town itself, and I can easily communicate with them and understand their problems and try to resolve their problems in time manner, sir. It's as I'm coming from the home state itself, it's not a difficult task for me, sir.
Okay. What are the major crops in your area?
Sir, in my area, the major crops are paddy, cotton, wheat, groundnuts, sugarcane, etc. Sir, these are the main crops that we cultivate in our areas, sir.
Okay. Please describe me about your gap year.
Sir, after graduation, I don't have any idea of going into the job field. So I thought of helping my farmer in his farming activity. So for some time, I had farmer in his farming activities, and later from 2019 onwards, I thought of giving. I thought of setting myself in any of the jobs. So I thought of giving the competitive exams like SSC and banking. So from 2020 onwards, I solely prepared for the banking sector, sir.
Okay. You heard about the term that is called BIRD, Banking Institute of Rural Development.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, uh, sorry, sir, I didn't recall. now.
BIRD is the organization which gives training to the RRB employees, Regional Rural Bank employees.
Okay.
What is DICGC?
DICC is one of the subsidiary of RBI, sir, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, sir. It gives insurance to all the deposits which are in the banking sector, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
So, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is introduced in 2016 by PM Narendra Modi ji. The main motto of this scheme is to provide the financial and insurance facilities to the crops which are damaged by any natural calamities or any pests or diseases, sir. It mainly provides the insurance to the damaged crops, sir.
Okay.
So the premium is also paid by them. On the Kharif season, total is 2% of is paid as a premium. In Rabi season, 1.5% is paid.
What is interest subvention scheme?
The entrance submission scheme is so whenever the farmer or any lender borrows repays his loan amount within the time period, the bank gives a bank provides the entrance submission, sir. Say for example, there is a rate of interest is 7%, and the next time he will get the loan amount for the rate of interest of 3 to 4%. Sir. The reduction of rate of interest is we can say the interest subvention, sir.
Okay. Venkatesh, we all know that there is an issue is going on between India and China nearby Ladakh border.
Yes, sir.
You have an idea?
Yes, sir. It's currently I don't have idea.
Just go through it. Is there a issue is sometime before? Who is the PM of Bangladesh earlier?
Sheikh Hasina, sir.
Sheikh Hasina. What is that issue if you remember?
Sir, many of the youths are protest against our government due to.
Why Muhammad Yunus is famous earlier? I am asking about earlier, not now.
He is the father of Arabi in Bangladesh, sir. He introduced the Arabi.
And he received the Nobel. He is economist, but he received the Nobel of Peace Prize, Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, you are not from this background, Nobel Prize background, but who received this year Literature Nobel?
No, sir, I didn't.
Hang Kang something, Hang Kang, South Korean Hang Kang. Just try to revise all the Nobel Prizes also, brother.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are two states where the election is going on. Name the two states.
Sir, Maharashtra and Jharkhand, sir. And today is the first polling started in Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
And then number 20, the election starts in
In Telangana, some moist affected area is there. Suppose I will post it in that area. In news related to moist is also going on. Then how will you manage?
Sir, I'm from AP, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Suppose, okay, you have filled the form from AP itself. Suppose by mistake Telangana. Because currently you are in Hyderabad, that's why I asked this question. Okay, suppose I will post it in AP in the rural area where different types of crimes is going on. Then how will you manage over there? Like some moist area and some different types of areas.
So, yeah, yes, sir. After completing my school as well, I started living on my own itself, sir. I take care of myself, my own activities, and it didn't affect me in that, as long as I mind my own business.
Okay. How will you deal with the rural people, rural customer, and convince them about the genuine banking?
Sir, can you repeat this about?
Convince them about the genuine banking. Genuine banking means banking system, not go for the money lender.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will I will teach them that there are the many banking facilities and the loan facilities as well, and gold loan and other deposit facilities and lending facilities, and the rate of interest. Well, so whenever they go to the lender, they will charge high rate of interest, and as compared to bank, there will be the low rate of interest, sir.
Okay, what is drawer, drawee, payee?
No, sir, I don't.
I am giving the 10,000 rupee check to you. I am as a drawer. Okay, you are payee and bank is drawee. Drawer, bank is drawee, you are payee. What is cross check?
So cross check is a check. The payee is collect the amount at the account itself, sir. The payment of the check is done in the through account itself, not at the cash counter.
Okay, what is bearer check and what is order check?
So order check is the payment of the check is done on which the name payee's name only, sir. The payment is done on the payee's account only. Bearer check is a check where the payment is done whoever bears the check, sir.
Okay.
Whoever carrying the check to the account manager, he will get the payment of the check.
Okay. You heard about a self-help group, SHG.
Yeah, yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, self-help groups is the group of 10 to 10 women in the villages. They form one group and they open they open a one savings account in the bank, and they follow the 5 sutras, sir. And they invest regularly. They meet regularly, and they are eligible to take loans from the bank, and they have to pay the loan amount in the timely manner, and they have to maintain the updated self-help books, sir.
Why KYC is important for a bank?
So KYC is important for the bank to avoid the fraud, sir. The main purpose of KYC is to avoid the binami accounts and the fraud, sir. Now, at the stage of opening the bank account, we have to submit the address proof and identity proof as well. There are passport or any Aadhaar card or any driving license. These
You heard about that hidden bug issue related to SEBI is in news recently.
No, sir.
Who is the chairman of SEBI?
Previously, Madhavpuri Buchi, sir. And
Currently is the Madhvi Puri Buch.
No.
Guys, now I am going to give feedback to one of my student. He is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, take help from it and text me for the mock guidance and feedback. My number is 7503235358. Thanks a lot.